This is part 8 of the Yamaha All Blowed Up series. I'm glad you guys tuned in. I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips. Today's video, we are going to finally finish this YZ250F motor, get it buttoned up, and get it ready to put back in the frame. So kick back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and remove the spark plug. I'm going to grab a socket extension and put that down the spark plug hole and gently turn the crankshaft over. This allows me to find top dead center of the crankshaft assembly really quick. And of course I'm going to also verify it with the marks on the flywheel. Then I can go ahead and install the camshaft. Now you can see here I'm installing my camshaft. Now you definitely want to refer to your service manual to get the correct alignment. Now you can see I'm rotating the cam to get the correct alignment. This takes a little patience, but you can see here I'm able to rotate the camshaft without removing the cam chain. Now this might take a couple tries to get the alignment just right. I can see here I've got it all lined up and I'm able to install my cam caps. Now remember, on these Yamahas they have a half-moon washer, and you can see right there I just installed it on the camshaft bearing. Now you can see I'm installing the cam cap on the intake valve assembly. Now these are an 8 to 10 millimeter bolt depending on your application. I'm just going to go ahead and snug those down before I torque them. Alright, you can see I grabbed my snap-on torque wrench. I really like this torque wrench for a couple different reasons. I like to jam out to music in the garage when I'm working, and this torque wrench actually sends a vibrating signal to my hand when I reach my desired set point. It's pretty cool, so I don't have to pay attention to any click. However, I still like the old click models too.
This little cam chain tool is a must.
My ratchet and I'm spinning the crankshaft over just to make sure I don't have any interference with any valves or anything like that. This is just an extra precaution just to make sure everything's ready to go when you get ready to put it back in the machine. So much easier to make any adjustments while it's sitting here on the bench. Alright, next up I'm going to install the piping for all the oil system. Now this takes the oil from the pump, throws it up on top of the head, and lubricates the camshaft. Now you definitely want to use new crush washers when installing this, and they should come with your new gasket kit. Alright, new Sparkplug installation. Then what I like to do is take a little bit of assembly pre-lube and just dab a little bit in there, because it takes a minute for that oil to get up on top to lubricate those camshafts.
Okay, we've got the motor completely built. We got the valves adjusted. We got the new piston, new valves, new crank, new everything installed on this thing. The motor is buttoned up, ready to go back in. I'm glad you guys tuned in. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. Also leave me some comments on this build and any other future builds that you guys would like to see. Thanks again. I'm Chris with Chris's Tech Tips, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.